Yo, what's going on guys? Michael here from MP Fitness. Thank you for checking out the newest video to the channel. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share this video. Let me know what you guys think and what you guys want to see in future episodes, but we're gonna get into it right now. So we're gonna do a product review on the Blendjet 2.0. So I saw ads for this guy all over the place leading up to Christmas. I mentioned it to Sarah and she actually got me one for Christmas. So I was like super excited about it and figured I'd tell you guys what I think about it, right? Whether it's actually worth it to buy it or not. So we're gonna get into that. But before we do, if you're in the Raleigh, North Carolina area, looking for a personal trainer or you're looking for somebody to help you get in shape for 2021, let me know, comment down below. I'll also put my links to my other social media platforms in the description. And yeah, just hit me up and I'd love to help you guys out. So now we'll get into the actual video. All right guys, just to get it started. So the first thing I noticed about this guy from the ads was like the power of the actual like blend part of it, right? Because I feel like there's been so many products where they try to emulate what this guy shows on the actual ad, but then when you actually get it, it's just not as good, right? And it doesn't do the job that it says it does, et cetera, et cetera. So I was like I said, very skeptical. The first one, they kind of compared the 2.0 with their original one. And right off the bat, like this thing has a huge motor on it. So I'm not sure if you guys could hear that or not, but this thing freaking like goes. So I was like, all right, it'll be interesting to see whether it could like grind up ice, oats, all that stuff. So when I make a protein shake, most of the time, I'll throw in oats with it, I'll throw in ice, milk, the actual protein powder, and it usually makes it like super like thick, chalky. It doesn't get it all blended together. And you can't really do that in an actual shaker bottle, right? You have to do it in an actual like big blender, which is a pain in the ass because nobody carries blenders with them all the time. At least I don't. So I saw this, I loved it. Sarah got it for me. So we're actually gonna try it now. So the cool thing about this is that it has about 16 ounces of space to fill it up with, like I said, ice, oats, protein powder, whatever, fruit, peanuts, vegetables, whatever. Like I said, you pretty much want whatever you want. So for today, we're gonna make a protein shake. So what else I liked about this is I'm clumsy and forgettable most of the time, right? And most of the time, if I were to, unscrew this, I'm not gonna really realize that it's not as tight as it should be. But the cool thing is that it blinks when it's loose and it actually won't turn on, which is nice. So you don't have to worry about your stuff going all over the place. So what we're gonna do first is throw in a little bit of ice, right? So let's go. All right, we got four cubes of ice in there. Let's go a little bit of milk. So another cool thing about this is that you don't have to worry about like the battery dying. Well, you have to worry about the battery dying, but it comes with like a USB charger, right? So I got this, like I said, I opened it up the day of Christmas Eve, something like that. And I probably use this thing at least 24 times, if not more. And the battery has not run out yet, which is really nice. And it also flashes when it starts to die a little bit. So it kind of gives you that heads up. All right, so we got about 8 ounces of milk. We got 4 ice cubes. We're gonna get kind of crazy on the protein. All right, we're gonna go with 2 scoops of the protein right here. And we're using Dimetizes Fruity Pebbles, in case you're wondering. This is actually, I think, this might have been ranked #1 on my top protein choices of 2020. I'll put the link to that video down below in case anybody's interested in that. So we got 2 scoops of protein, we got milk, and we got ice. So let's go ahead and blend it so everything's nice and tight. All right, there we go. So you can hear it like crunching up all the ice, grinding the ice, everything else. And you can kind of hear it working, right? Shake it up a little bit. All right, we're good to go. So let's go ahead. Take it out. So, I mean, it's a really cool tool, like toy. Yeah, I mean, it's literally like it's a blender, except you could take it with you to the gym or work or whatever. They even showed it like it's waterproof. I'm like, I don't really know anybody that's like swimming in a pool. It's like, oh my gosh, I forgot my protein. I better go get my portable blender and do it while I'm in the pool. But you could actually blend it underneath, like in the water. So if you go scuba diving and you're like, oh my gosh, I left my protein, you got a portable blender with you and you're good to go. So it does a great job at that. It keeps it nice and cold, which is nice. And then to clean it, all you have to do is literally just put a little like dish soap, fill it up with water, close the lid, and just let it freaking go, and it'll clean it. It's super easy, and it comes off on both ends, so you don't have to worry about all that stuff getting stuck like on the bottom. You have to whatever out, worried about the shaker ball getting lost, whatever it is, it's getting nasty. So super easy to clean. So this is like 50 bucks, right? Is it absolutely necessary? No, it's not. It's a really nice luxury item. Like I said, I thought it was really cool. I'm really glad Sarah got it for me. And I mean, I think that she's gonna get one for herself just because I literally use it all the time. Even like I use the liquid IV, right? I'll put it in here, but I'll throw in a bunch of ice cubes and it makes like a slushy out of it. So you could use it for so many different drinks and everything else. So I would honestly, I'm gonna give this guy a rating, all right? 50 bucks, it's a little steep. If it was like 35 bucks, I'd be like all in for it. So 50 bucks, it's like, I'd have to think about it, but I absolutely love this thing. I'm probably gonna get another one for myself just because I don't like mixing my protein shakers with like my pre-workout or my like essential like amino acids or anything like that. I don't like that fruity and chalky kind of, I don't know, aftertaste. So I'm probably gonna get another one for another kind of like my pre-workouts and stuff like that. So I think it's worth it. I'm gonna give this guy a solid 9.5 out of 10. I definitely think that if you're in the market for a blender and you don't want a NutriBullet, this is gonna do the exact same thing. It's cheaper than some of the other blenders and you can take it with you, which is nice. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've actually tried this guy out and what you think. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's see what we can do for 2021. And lastly, if you're in the Raleigh, North Carolina area, hit me up if you're looking for a trainer or you're looking for somebody to help you get in shape for 2021. I'd love to do that for you guys. Love to help you guys out. So I appreciate all the support and I'll catch you guys next time.